Hello, friends. Class 6th History, Chapter 1. Today we are doing Match the Following. Match the following. The first, Narmada Valley, Magda, Garo Hills, Indus, and its tributaries. Tributaries. Ganga Valley. Here, the other side, the first big kingdom, hunting and gathering. Cities, cities about 2500 years ago. Early agriculture. The first cities. Now I will explain why Narmada Valley is matched with hunting and gathering. I will explain you the first why Narmada Valley is the match of hunting and gathering. First, you match Magda with the first big kingdom, Garo Hills with early agriculture, Indus and its tributaries cities about 2500 years ago, Ganga Valley the first cities. Now, Narm- now we will do match for Narmada Valley is hunting and gathering gathering because the earliest people the earliest people who lived in Narmada Valley were skilled hunters and gatherers. जो पहले लोग रहते थे नर्मदा वैली के पास वो बहुत स्किल्ड थे हंटिंग करने में और गैदरिंग करने में. दे लिव्ड बाय हंटिंग एनिमल्स. एनिमल्स को मारते थे और उसको गैदर करते थे. खाना उनका खाना ही एनिमल्स को मार के ही होता था. इसलिए नर्मदा वैली के पास वो रहते थे, इसलिए हंटिंग और गैदरिंग करते थे. इसलिए नर्मदा वैली का मैच हंटिंग एंड गैदरिंग है. देन Magda is the match for first big kingdom. Magda is the match for the first big kingdom. इसका कारण ये है कि मगधा एक बहुत बड़ी किंगडम थी साउथ ऑफ रिवर गंगा के पास और बहुत पावरफुल किंगडम थी पावरफुल रूलर्स के साथ. तो इसलिए hence its activities was the is hence it was obviously the first big kingdom. तो इसलिए हमने मगधा को फर्स्ट बिग किंगडम इसलिए कहा है क्योंकि वो रिवर गंगा के पास थी. मगधा इज अ kingdom located to south of river Ganga. South of river Ganga, it was very powerful kingdom. Was very powerful kingdom with powerful rulers. With powerful rulers and hence with powerful rulers, hence it was the first big kingdom. The third match is for Garo Hills is early agriculture. Areas around Yarrow Hills were the places where agriculture developed. अर्ली एग्रीकल्चर्स उन एरियाज में हुआ था जो गैरो हिल्स के पास थी. The areas around Garo Hills were places where agriculture developed. The areas around Garo Hills were the places were the places where early agriculture agriculture developed. The fourth match is Indus and its tributaries is the match of first cities. Indus and its tributaries is the match of Indus and its tributaries is the first cities. So about 4700 years ago, some of the earliest cities flourished on the bank of Indus and its tributaries. 4500 years पहले जो सिटीज़ फ्लॉरिश हुई थी वो इंडस और इट्स ट्रिब्यूटरीज के बैंक में हुई थी, इसलिए हमने उसका मैच रखा. इंडस एंड इट्स ट्रिब्यूटरीज इज द फर्स्ट सिटीज़. About 4700 years ago, some of the earliest cities flourished on the bank of Indus and its tributaries. Now last is the Ganga Valley match of for Ganga Valley is cities about 2500 years ago. Ganga Valley is the city about 2500 years ago. इसका रीज़न है about 2500 years ago cities developed on the banks of Ganga and its tributaries and along the sea coast. About 2500 years ago, 2500 साल पहले सिटीज़ बैंक ऑफ गंगा पे डेवलप हुई थी और सी कोस्ट के अलॉन्ग हुई थी, इसीलिए उसका ये मैच है. ट्रिब्यूटरीज डेवलप्ड ऑन द बैंक ऑफ द गंगा एंड इट्स tributaries and it's the bank of Ganga and its tributaries and along the sea coast. Okay friends, thank you. Subscribe my channel.